What's up, ladies? If you already know what it is, this is Noti. I'm back again with another banger, man. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make stacked jeans without sewing, without no tape, no super glue, none of that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make stacks. They look just like they're stacks. I don't gotta sew. You don't gotta do none of that. All you need is some scissors. I already made these a pair of like jeans, another pair of jeans. So I'm gonna show y'all how they're doing, man. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, hit the Noti bell. I just want to thank you guys for all the support we've been having. And yeah, man, make sure you guys go follow all my socials down in the description down below. Let's get into it, man. Let's go. All right, guys. So what you want to do is get a pair of jeans. Since I already told you I already cut these, get a pair of jeans that you want to cut like and add on to the other pair of jeans. So what you want to do is find the knee area of the jeans that you want to cut and cut that all the way, like, you know, through. Cut it all the way through and get the pants legs like this, you know. See, it should look like that. Get it to your length that you want to have it, like how long your stack's gonna be. And what you want to do is you're gonna add it on to this pair of jeans. So I'm gonna show y'all in the next clip. All right, so now that you have the jeans on that you want to stack, what you want to do is you want to get the bottom pants leg of the ones that you cut. You want to add it on to the bottom of the stacked jeans. Just want to add it in. Make sure it's covering. Like, you know, make sure it's covering make sure the cut legs is covering the jeans. And put the jeans over. So I'm gonna show y'all. Put the jeans over. So you know the jeans that you want. Put it over like the little pants legs, so you won't really see it. Just like stack them down like that. And I'm gonna show you guys once I'm done with all this. I'm gonna show you guys that once I'm done. Alright guys, as you guys can see, they're all stacked up like this. I'm gonna put some shoes on with them. I'm gonna show you guys how they look. I got the forces. I'll show you guys how they look. They're stacked. Got that stack look, guys. See, has that stack look. No one can tell that you added on the other jeans. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm not really good with tutorials, but I'm trying to, you know, help y'all out. Bear with me, y'all. I'm gonna little spice the bottoms up a little bit though. See, this is how they look. Stacked jeans. I don't really wear skinny jeans like that. I always like baggy jeans. But yeah, man, I'm just trying to here to give you guys a tutorial. That's how they look. And yeah. Alright guys, I hope you guys doing this little tutorial. I'm not really good with the tutorials, just bear with me. You know what I mean? But make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, hit that Noti bell. It's Noti. I'm out. Peace.